Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well as you are all future of Pakistan. Welcome in your new class. This is your new English textbook, Cambridge Express. Look at the title page. I hope you like it. Today I will explain you first lesson. Why the hippopotamus lives in water. You must have ever seen a hippo cooling itself in a pond at zoo. Have you ever seen a hippo cooling itself in a pond at zoo? Can you tell me your favorite animals? Okay, you have, like me, giraffe, monkey, ducks, sparrows. Well done. Can you tell me the largest animal or beast on land? Elephant. Very nice. Can you guess the second largest beast on land? Hippopotamus. Many children must have seen a hippo enjoying and taking bath itself in a pond at zoo. This is a frequent tale why the hippopotamus lives in water. Help you that why the hippo did not come ashore. Once upon a time there lived a hippo called Isentim with his 7 fat wives. He used to go everywhere together. He often invited all the animals to take feast. At the feast, the animals were about to begin their delicious meal. The hippo announced, guessed his name, or they would to go away without taking dinner. Only his 7 wives knew his real name. One day the tortoise asked the hippo, what will happen if I will tell you your name at the next feast? The hippo replied that he would leave the land with his family and will live in water forever. But if you have failed to guess the name of your host, you must leave. All the animals became disappointed to hear this. The tortoise took a plan to guess the name of Hippo. He knew about the daily routine of Hippo, that he took bath to the river every morning and evening. The tortoise dug a hole in the middle of their path and hid himself behind a bush waiting for them. The hippo arrived with his wives. 2 of his wives were a little behind the others. The tortoise at once crawled into the hole when they come near his shell. Suddenly the first one knocked her foot against the tortoise shell and immediately called out to her husband, "Oh, Isentim, my husband, I have hurt my foot." The tortoise was very happy to hear his real name. At the next feast, the hippo reminded his guests to tell his real name. The clever tortoise shouted his name loudly, "Isentim, Isentim." At this, the hippo accepted his defeat and went down to the river from that day on. Although hippos come ashore at night to feed, you can't see them on land in the daytime. I hope you have enjoyed a lot the story. Now let's make a title page. Dear students, are you looking at the board? Have you seen the title, Why the Hippopotamus Lives in Water? Now look at my map. Why the hippopotamus lives in water? First, lived a hippo called Isentim. He had 7 fat wives. Isentim invited beasts at feast. A confident tortoise accepted the challenge. Come forward on vocabulary words. First word, quiet. Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. Accept. E-X-C-E-P-T, accept. Delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. The next word is announce. A-N-N-O-U-N-C-E. Next word, feast. F-E-A-S-T, feast. Guess. G-U-E-S-S, guess. Strategy. S-T-R-A-T-E-G-Y, strategy. Disappointed. D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D, disappointed. Exposed. E-X-P-O-S-E-D, imagine. I-M-A-G-I-N, imagine. Accept, delicious, announce, feast, guess, strategy, disappointed, expose, imagine. Let's start with word meanings. First word is unwillingly. Not wanting to do something. Someone who organizes a party and invites guests. Next word is strategy. Plan. Strategy, plan. The word is to cover, meaning hid. Next word, exposed, meaning to lay open. Next word, out of sight, meaning not visible. Word, ashore, meaning towards land from an area of water. Start your question answers. Why the hippopotamus lives in water? Question number 1. What did the hippo used to do? Question. What did the hippo used to do? Answer. The hippo used to invite all the animals to have a big feast. The hippo used to invite all the animals to have a big feast. Question number 2. What announcement did the hippo make before the animals could start their meal? Answer. The hippo asked the animals to either guess his name or go away without having dinner. Question number 3. What would the hippo do if the tortoise managed to find his name? Answer. If the tortoise managed to find the name Icentium, he would leave the land forever and live in water. Number 4. How did the tortoise find out the hippo's name? Question number 4. How did the tortoise find out the hippo's name? Answer. The tortoise hid himself in a small hole in the middle of hippo's path, leaving his shell exposed. The hippo's wife got stuck by the shell, hurt her foot, and called out her husband named Icentium. Question number 5. Why did the animals cheer when the hippo accepted his defeat? Answer. All the animals cheered on hippo's defeat because they were able to enjoy the feast. Question number 6 and last. Was the tortoise a clever animal? Answer. Yes. The tortoise was a clever animal because he thought of a way to discover hippo's name. Let's start the activity of MCQs which are given from your lesson. Hippopotamus lives in water. Take the right option. First MCQs is, if the tortoise managed to find out his name, Icentium would. Here are the 3 options. Number 1 option, A. Be very angry. B option, give feasts every week. C option, leave the land forever and live in water. Take the right option according to your view. Next MCQs, the other animals cheered when the hippo accepted defeat because. Here are 3 options as given above. They were happy to see that the tortoise had won. Number 2 option, they wanted the hippo to leave the land. The C option, they were able to enjoy the feast. The second MCQs, option C, they were able to enjoy the feast. Take the right option. MCQs number 3, you would call the tortoise a clever animal because he, number 1 option, exposed his shell so that the hippo's wife would hurt her foot. Option number 2, thought of a way to discover the hippo's name. C option, made the hippo leave the land and live in water. Correct answer in MCQs number 1, C. In the second MCQs, second MCQs, the right option is C. The third MCQs, the right. Now we will start our new activity at page number 6 of the textbook. The word confident is an adjective describing the tortoise. The noun form of this word is confidence. Notice that the ENT is adjective form changed to ENC in the noun. Similarly, the ANT ending of an adjective changed to ANC in the noun form. Look at the following words and give their adjectives or nouns form as appropriate. The first word is evident. Evident is an adjective and the evidence is noun of this adjective. Number 2 word is violence. Violence is a noun and violent is adjective of this noun. The next one is different. Different is the word is different, adjective. The adjective of different is difference. Next word distance. Distance is noun. The adjective of distance is distant. Next word obedient. Obedient is an adjective. The adjective of obedient is obedience. Next word abundance. It's noun. The adjective form of abundance is abundant. Next word innocent. Innocent is an adjective. The adjective of innocent, the noun innocence. The word is intelligence. Intelligence is noun. The adjective form of intelligence is intelligent. Now this activity is completed. The chapter has been completed. Now let's come forward on home task. Write a paragraph about your favorite animal on color computer sheet and paste picture on it. Now our first chapter has been completed and hope you will all enjoyed it. Hope for the best and good luck. Allah Hafiz.